this kasi tayo kasi dito, ayaw natin na isa lang yung star eh.
Oh, tama.
Gusto natin na
Lahat tayo.
Lahat tayo. Lahat tayo. Sabay-sabay paakyat.
I think next time we just have to we have to think about what it's for. Whereas, you know, we are a family-oriented house, but as for the next following things, we have to think of what it's for, who we're aiming to, you know, who to showcase it to, what we're trying to do, and stuff. I mean, like, we didn't know that the judges were going to be,
tama naman.
you know, we didn't know that it was, because we're more of, you know, that's how we are. We want everyone to shine. But, all I'm saying is that next time, if it's for something, we should try and work differently. Because we learned. Well, I mean, we went through it, and we should develop from that.
Yeah.
Like it was good. We all did our best, no doubt about it. At that time, we all did our best. But from there, we can only move forward.
Yeah.
Right? So, now we know that if there is any difficulties or anything, just talk about it.
Yeah.
Like, all of us. If we're struggling, we should talk about it.
Tama sa unknowingly dito, sobrang yung time natin eh. Kaya hindi na natin minsan...
Hirap tayo last week. Super hirap tayo.
That's it.
Let's try to make our ideas simple.
Yeah, we need to simplify our ideas. We always try too hard.
Gusto ko ng ganito.
We try way
What do you
too
think yung
hard.
nangyari namang concert natin? Parang simple. Medyo mahirap, complicated. Di naman. Sakto lang, di ba?
I think...
Kasi, di ba nung nabanggit ni Kuya yung dapat may showcase?
Yeah.
Diba?
Sakto.
Kaya pinaglapilili natin si na-showcase natin. Tapos, yung mga marunong sa instruments, nilagay din natin yung mga sinama din natin. Di ba?
Iba lang talaga kasi naging extra hirap sa part natin kasi yun nga sabi ko, sa isang number, involved tayong lahat. Unlike sa kabila,
meron
nag-1.
Totoo yun.
Nag-solo si Jessica, which was a lot of -1. Ano na yun eh, -1 na sa iintindihin.
Naman,
Tayo, walang may nag-solo.
Walang nag-solo sa atin eh.
Tatlo kayo ni Wendy at Kuya Tol magaling kumanta. Pero, hirap naman tayo sa nota kasi we have to, kailangan pang kap-kapin ni Kuya Iting yung notes. So, involved pa rin tayong lahat. Pero, okay lang.
Kasi parang, for me kasi parang pag nag-solo yung isa dito, parang...
It's too much.
For me para sa akin lang Parang ganun.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Siguro na lang, Roy, just in case, ganun din, next time.
I think we should stop talking about the past because there's nothing we can do about it. Because it happened now we know, and we'll do better next time.
Actually, napunta na sa concert yung dapat.
Mag-ano na lang siguro, let's say, whoever man yung maging leader, maging ano na lang. Hindi tayo sanay sa,
hindi kasi tayo sanay sa
for this task, this one,
pero this one siguro, kailangan mag-step up. Yun din ang maganda. Everyone should step up.
Because for example, we can't learn every dance. And we can't help everyone with everyone's dance styles. We need everyone to push themselves.
Tama yun.
Yun lang.
I think that's why we have this task this week. Because last week was more of individual talents where we did it as a group. This week is like very
technical.
Different.
Parang personal battle na.
Personal
battle siya eh.
Yung ito?
Although dala natin yung buong performance ng group, pero personal battle siya eh.
It is. It's extremely because if
kung pwede ko lang mabura yung
you don't know what you're doing, then you know it's pretty much. You have to push yourself. Yourself can only do it. the steps, not anyone else. Right?
Itong task na to, itong task
Yeah,
natin.
so
Dapat
to-
personal, dapat ano tayo dito
Oo, it's more
Dapat lahat.
personal.
Oo, wala muna. Dapat lahat tayo, dito talaga eh. Mag-step up talaga.
But
Kasi-
saying that as leaders, we should push schedule time to practice. But after practice, I know everyone's tired.
Kasi
now.
ma-notice na when we go back here, parang wala na tayong time eh. Kasi we have activities.
Oo,
So
task.
kumbaga, I figure out
Tomorrow morning.
na kapag doon na tayo nagpa-practice,
Todo
ibuhos na
na.
natin doon.
Todo, oo.
Wala nang ibuhos na natin
Also, before we go to practice, we should do a run through of every style so that we're not brain dead for the professionals. Because I feel like we start really slow and it irritates them because we're supposed to have everything done so we can start something new. So before
breakfast.
yeah, before practice, let's move everything, do a run through of everything. So before we go, we're refreshed. I feel. I think it would help them more than help us, which is needed because I feel like they're stressed.
Dapat di, as in,
Kasi
di
for
tayo
me
papayag
naman,
dapat
kaya,
na matalo.
di ba minsan minsan kasi pag nagre-rehearse na tayo, na ganun, parang I don't want to get angry anymore kasi malalaki na tayo eh. Para sa akin eh, we've grown up eh. Parang kailangan pa bang pagalitan ka para matuto ka sa sarili mo or mag-step up ka na lang. Kasi hindi naman na tayo parang high school na parang pagalitan ka pa ng teacher mo para matuto ka eh.
Yeah,